I've really loved it. I've done detoxes before, but I think the setting here is just stunning. And I've come with a really good friend as well, so we've been able to have some time together. But it's just lovely to connect with like-minded people on a journey that's similar, and you really get into that group setting and you feel supported to step away from just mainstream living and families and all the stresses of the outside world and create our own little bubble here and nurture each other and support each other. And yeah, I love it. I've really enjoyed it. And just being able to have time out to pamper myself, have a sauna, have a spa, have a massage, had a beautiful massage, sit and learn new things about cleansing and detoxifying, because Kimball is a wealth of knowledge, and Daisy to go through her garden and realise there's a lot of things we can grow ourselves and create our own healing gardens. Just if you've never done anything like this before, it's a beautiful way to get into cleansing and detoxifying your body.